So with all the excitement geared towards the return of fans to the stands for the next Reggae Boyz home game against the USA on November 16, no one seems to remember that we still have the small matter of a game against El Salvador in San Salvador on November 12th, 4 days before the USA game, and that for the Tuesday game inside the stadium against USA to have greater significance, purpose, and relevance, we first have to take care of business in San Salvador the Friday before. So while the Jamaican fans have the luxury of getting anxious, excited, and thinking past the El Salvador game, the Jamaican coaching staff, led by Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore, and especially the players, can afford no such shift in focus. It is expected that the experience of winning in Honduras will boost their confidence going back into Central America. And remember now that this Jamaica team is built to get points on the road. So far, we have 4 points away from home and 1 point at home. So in terms of these 2 games, the Reggae Boyz need to remember that November 16th is the 24th anniversary of the most historic day in Jamaica's football. And the mood of that commemoration and celebration will depend heavily on what happens 4 days before in El Salvador.